Hey beauties, it's been a while. It's been a while since you've seen my real hair. It's great. It's great. I haven't worn it out in so long. I just took out these feed-in jumps that I had in my hair, feed-in braids. But anyways, that's not what this video is about. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Today we are talking about the Cerave or Cerave. Still don't know what, gosh darn, I should have looked it up beforehand. Cerave sounds more fancy, so the Cerave Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. Okay, it removes your makeup. So we about to put this to the test. I got some NARS on. I had this done on since the AM and it's now the PM, okay? I had it on since about 8 AM, earlier than that. Since about 7:30 AM and it's now almost 10:30 PM. So we're gonna see what this product really about, okay? Okay. So we always gonna wash our hands. I got some soap on my hands, some antibacterial soap. Then we're gonna wet our face. Look at me, water in my eye just for y'all. Makeup running in my eye just for y'all. And we gonna put a little pump of product. We're gonna see what it does. This is my face after one wash. I've been using this product for, oh my gosh, since August, and we're in December. So for, we'll count September, October, November. So I've been using this product for 3 months now. And when I do have makeup on, I like to cleanse my face twice. But since I'm here for y'all, it ain't about me. This is what it looks like with just one cleanse. And I'm gonna get a paper towel so we can see if the makeup came off. We have a paper towel. Hold my lips in because I still got lipstick on. Lightly dab my face. No, I did get a little bit of makeup. I mean, a little bit of lipstick on here. But, hold on, how I adjust this so y'all can see. As y'all can see, ignore the lipstick, but as you can see, there is a little bit of makeup. Can you see? There's a little bit of makeup that is still on my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another cleanse. Second cleanse is done. Y'all see how that foam that was coming out? Ooh, look at my baby hair. All right, second cleanse, clean paper towel, pat dry the face. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Nothing. 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 This side too. Just nothing. Just nothing. Just no makeup. No makeup. No makeup. I'll tell y'all one thing. Cerave, I promise y'all, I ain't getting no endorsements from them yet. But baby, it's almost like they can't do any wrong for my skin. It's like they can't do any wrong. Hydrating cream to foam cleanser, and we saw it foam, and we saw it start off as cream, so it went from the cream to the foam. That's accurate. It cleanses, hydrates, and removes makeup without disrupting the skin's protective barriers. My skin don't feel disrupted. It's been 3 months. My skin ain't been disrupted. So that's a check. That's accurate. I think all their products do, but they come with 3 essential ceramides, amino acids, and hyaluronic acid. This cleanser is very gentle. I'm big about like just gentle products on my skin because I don't know what my skin gonna do. Okay, it's unpredictable because we saw how it was acting up when we first went into quarantine last year. Another thing I love about the products, fragrance free. I don't want no smells on my face, okay? I don't want flowers and roses. That ain't for my face, all right? I just need this clean, clear, and under control. Okay, that's all I need. And this product is also non-drying, so my skin doesn't feel dry, but y'all know what your girl always do. She gonna follow up with the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I know they have an AM and a PM lotion, but I don't see why I would need to use a different lotion than the AM versus the PM. So I just get their Daily Moisturizing Lotion, which you can use on your body as well, but I just use it on my face. Because I like to keep things simple. How does your face feel after using this product? My face feels very fresh. It feels very fresh and clean. And it's like my pores have opened up and there's air coming in. That's what it feels like. You know when your skin just feels so good? It just feels so soft, smooth, and luxurious. So this is a win for me. So if you're someone who wears makeup very often and you don't want to use any wipes because you out here saving the environment. Okay, y'all, so hold on. Whole time I thought the camera was here, but it's really over here. Okay, so anyways, so this product is great for somebody who wears makeup often and you don't want to use makeup wipes all day, every day, because you out here saving the environment. Go ahead and get you this CeraVe Cream to Foam Cleanser. It's gonna remove your makeup. There's proof in the pudding. Y'all just saw it live and in action. Okay, I had that makeup on all day day. Okay, that was 14-hour makeup. And that thing came off. One cleanse, it was almost there. Just need a second cleanse to just really, I might have missed some spots myself, okay? Because when I get on camera, I get a little shy. Y'all be putting pressure on me. So sometimes I don't do everything like, exactly the way it's supposed to be done. But anyways, it could probably be done with one cleanse. But I just did two just to really get that dirt, oil, and makeup off of my skin before going to bed. CeraVe Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. They did it again. And y'all know it's less than $15. And you know it's gonna last long. Look, I told y'all I've been using this thing for 3 months. So 3 months, it was like up here. You know where it is? It's right here. So I still got another 2 months. All right. So at the end of February, I will be looking for a new face wash to try out. So go ahead and drop in the comments below. Like another inexpensive face wash y'all want to see me try. Because I'm helping us all out. Okay. And don't forget to drink your water, take your vitamins, and eat semi-good. Okay. Cheat every once in a while, but try to keep a healthy diet. Because it's gonna keep your skin looking fly. And don't forget to get that vitamin D every day. All right, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. If you're not, follow me on all social media outlets. Soso models. Soso models. Soso models.